What's going on, everybody? I hope you guys are doing well. What's up in Cryptoverse? So today we got a big rally in Bitcoin, a big rally in Ethereum, which sent all crypto-related stocks up today, and it was a really fantastic move in the crypto universe. So without much ado, I'll just go straight to the charts and show you guys what is going on in crypto land and where price is going from here on. So over here we have the chart of Bitcoin. So I've talked about this for some time now. I came out and mentioned that Bitcoin, I believe that the sell-off was excessive, and we are going to get to, we have hit the bottom. So it held this trend line nicely. This is a weekly trend line we started, which ushered in the bull market, and so far we have held it spectacularly well. So far we have gotten a change in market structure, and today we got a push to 94,000, which was a big milestone for Bitcoin. And so far we closed, like, the highest of the day was 94,627. And the next move for Bitcoin is that it's important that it cracks and closes above this 94,000, right? So if it can do that, then the next area that is going to come to is 96,800. That is the 50 SMA on the daily. Then from there, we can shoot to that psychological number or magic number of 100,000. So that is a key area where I'm looking for, and I've already positioned myself and a community, those in a swing trading service. We already position ourselves to profit from this, and we caught the bottom here on Bitcoin. From here, from Friday, November 25th, to this area, we've been holding IBIT ETF for Bitcoin. That's the option, call options, and we are riding it up. So once we get to $100,000 mark, we shall start taking profits there, and start taking profits and see if we can push higher. So after the $100,000 mark, I believe that if Bitcoin is able to gather the strength to break above the 100,000, then it can push higher and try to see if it can go back to retest the all-time highs at 125,000. So it remains to be seen if that is possible. And tomorrow is a big day in the market. Tomorrow is the FOMC in the stock market. If the FOMC is dovish and is positive for the market, and the market likes it, then what's going to happen is that we are going to get that rally in risk assets, which is risk assets like Bitcoin, and we are going to see that big rally to the upside, and we could hit that 100K mark tomorrow if the market likes what Fed Chair Powell says at the press conference. But otherwise, we are going to get a pullback here into this downsloping trend line, and then from there it can recover and then try to push up to break this 94,000 level and push to the 100,000. So we shall see how things work out tomorrow, and based on that, we shall see if the $100,000 target is a possibility this week or not. Next is Ethereum. Actually, Ethereum was the best performing today, and it really did very well. So as you can see, Ethereum is already at the 50 SMA from the sell-off, and this one as well, we caught it here on the 20th, and we kept on adding to the position, and now we are trading here, right, at 3,600, at 3,370. So now the next target for Ethereum is for Ethereum to push to this area, 3,500 area will act as resistance, and that's where the 200 SMAs. And once it's able to clear that hurdle, I believe that Ethereum can push to that 4,000 psychological number. Then from there, the sky is the limit. It can do, it can push higher. But for now, the main goal is for it to break and close above that 3,400 level to push to the 200 SMA. So in our swing trading service, we had ETHA, which is the ETF for Ethereum. That's the ETF for Ethereum, and we have been holding this. We have been holding this here since this day, and so far in the equities, those are bought shares equities, we already made 27%, and in the option, our options is made significant return in there, but it's not done yet. I believe that this still has room to come to the 50 SMA here, and so we are already in the money for our options. We bought it. We bought the $25 calls when this was around $20, so we are already in the money, and we are holding to see if we can get more push to the upside. We are holding some runners to see if we can push to the upside to this 50 SMA area, 27 and beyond. So that's how we trade in this with the Ethereum rally. Also with Bitcoin, we have iBit swing trade. Also, we caught that one here. So far, it was able to rally by 15%, and we're still holding to see if we can get a push to the 200. Even somewhere here should be good, more than enough for this to be a very profitable trade. So already this is profitable, and we are looking for a push up. So if we can get a $100,000 push in Bitcoin, definitely this is going to come to the 200 SMA by then. Okay, all right. So that is the key thing that I'm watching for the crypto markets, and depending on how things work out tomorrow, I believe that we are going to get that huge rally. Also, our swing trade of the week has been Robinhood. So Robinhood also sells crypto. It's a crypto related stock, and so far it's been doing really well this week. And if tomorrow the FOMC is great, I think we are going to see Robinhood rally, because Robinhood has shown relative strength throughout the week. Yesterday, when the market was selling, Robinhood was strong. So I believe that if the FOMC comes in favorable for the market, we are going to see Robinhood push to $140 and beyond. Right. So I believe that that could happen pretty soon here. So Robinhood is still holding, trading below this trend line, this downsloping trend line. If FOMC is good tomorrow, I believe it can blast through this trend line and push to $140 and beyond. Okay, so yeah, so that's about it for the crypto updates, and all eyes are going to be on the FOMC and Fed Chair Powell's press conference tomorrow. So if you want to trade with me live if you want to trade the FOMC with me live tomorrow, free of charge, join our free community and get the Zoom link there, and you can join me live to trade the FOMC live tomorrow. We are going to trade both options and futures in the stock market. Okay, so have a good night. Thanks for watching, and most importantly, please subscribe if you've not subscribed, and also hit the notification bell. And also, if you can, really appreciate it if you can share this link with your friends and family, your network that are into crypto, so that they can also learn and get ready and prepare for what's ahead. So have a good night. Bye for now. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.